Hey there, what going on YouTube? It's your boy Drip. Know what I'm saying, Okay then, back with another video today. We're gonna be going over Distrokid. Alright, so if you don't know, Distrokid is a distributor type. Like you can this how I put all my music on all these stores. So you feel me? Just stupid songs. You can put any song. You can just. I'm gonna show y'all how to make money, bro. Like real talk, passive income. Like you see, like I can just put anything up here. You can record anything like 5 sec. Nah, I would prefer like 40 seconds because they'll start like taking your music down if you get too many plays in less than a minute type stuff or less than 30 seconds. Matter of fact, like yeah, less than 30 seconds they'll start like tripping. So but with this Distrokid you can it's only a site, it's no app for it. But I uploaded this March 6, 2020, and I'm gonna show y'all how to this the upload thing. So you just come over here and pick all the places you want to add your stuff. You want to add your music. So you see it puts your music on Spotify, iTunes, TikTok, Amazon, Pandora, Tidal, all of them. Even Snapchat, Instagram, you feel me? Apple Music, which is the same as iTunes, I believe, but Facebook, all that. So when you get your music on TikTok, you like they all the stores pay you. So TikTok pays you for just people using your music in their own videos. So not even for views, just like them using your music. Spotify pays you for streams, iTunes, all the rest of them pay you for streams, except for Instagram and Facebook. They pay you for something else. I'm not sure what they pay you for or how much they pay you. I think Spotify pay you like, I don't know. We're gonna go see what how much they pay you. Alright, so right here it says Spotify pays artists between 3 to 5 cents, and that's kind of not. That's that's nothing. But it all like it all like adds up. So don't trip. There's also more ways to get it. Like I said, TikTok and other platforms. Like other platforms pay more and stuff like that. Like Tidal pays the most, I believe. Um, and on some sites it says it pays you different. I'm gonna go to the Spotify calculator, bro. Alright, so we're gonna type in 1,000 and say you get you keep 100%. So 1,000 is $2. I say you use United Masters and you get 90%. That's $2. Alright, so say you get 100,000, you get $214. Easy, like. But so like, okay, they got a pop up ad. But so like, basically, you get the bag, bro. Like And if y'all want to sign up for this, I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. I made this, like, I haven't been on here too much, but I made this much. Like, this not all I made from here, but you feel me? Well, this, it says it right here from October 2019 through August, but I haven't really like been getting too many streams. So, but you can pay for promo. I advise you to pay for Google Ads, or I think it's some good sites where you could, I say Spotiflex. You could use Spotiflex for promo and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna drop my link below in the description. If y'all want to sign up for Distrokid, you won't be disappointed. Telling you right now. Easy money, bro. 2022. If y'all trying to rap, bro, you don't even have to rap, bro. You can just make beats or something like that. If y'all just want to make beats type jump, this the place to do it. And you can also, if you do a song with somebody, you can split the money. You feel me? However you want to do it, y'all can all just split that money. See, I got a little catalog. This ain't all my music. I got my music split up on different distributors. Like, I use a Muse. I'll put all of these in the description below. I use a Muse, United Masters, and Spotify. I mean, not Spotify. Distrokid. I'm tripping. But yeah. And they like I said, they put them on everything. Even Twitch. They got my music on Twitch. That's crazy. I don't know how to look for it on Twitch. That's crazy. But like I said, Tidal pays the most. So yeah, try to get people to listen to your music on Tidal, stuff like that. I advise. I think it's Tidal, then it goes to iTunes. iTunes pays you a lot too. Then I say Spotify, and the rest it don't matter after that. But yeah, though, that's it for the video, teaching y'all how to make passive income, teaching finance, and the music in the music circle, I guess. But yeah, though, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we finna dip.